Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Glue using IAM policies for ETL jobs. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service. Select the Roles option under the IAM section. Click on the Create Role button. Choose AWS Service as the trusted entity type. Select Glue from the list of services. Proceed by clicking on Next, Permissions. Search for existing IAM policies that are necessary for Glue roles. You can add the managed policy called Service Role/AWS Glue Service Role. If your ETL job requires access to S3, add the Amazon S3 Full Access policy. Click Next, Tags to add optional tagging. After tagging, click Next, Review. Provide a meaningful name for the role. Once your role is created, navigate back to the AWS Glue console. Create a new job by selecting Jobs from the navigation pane. Click the Add Job button. In the job configuration, specify the IAM role you just created. Fill in the required fields, including job name and type. Select the data sources and targets relevant to your ETL job. Configure any additional settings as needed, such as job parameters. Save your changes. Now, navigate to your ETL job configuration page. Click the Run Job button to execute the job. Monitor the job execution in the Run section. Ensure there are no permission errors in the logs. If there are errors, verify the permissions associated with the IAM role. Double-check that the necessary policies are attached to the role. Once you confirm everything is set up correctly, your job should run successfully. This concludes the guide on authenticating with AWS Glue using IAM policies for ETL jobs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.